Welcome, children. You might have seen different types of plants in your locality. Some plants are very big, whereas some plants are very small. Plants are very important for all living beings. They provide us many products like food, timber, fibers, medicines, and oils. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen from their leaves. They create habitat for many organisms and they purify air. This chapter is on plants. These are the topics which we are going to discuss. Different parts of plants and their functions. Photosynthesis and how does it work and why it is very important. Structure of seeds. Reproduction in plants and dispersal of seeds. Do you know Dr. Jagdish Bose? Dr. Jagdish Bose was one of the most eminent scientists of India. He was the first to prove that plants have feelings. He demonstrated that plants are also sensitive towards heat, cold, light, and other external stimulus. Have you observed that sunflower moves towards sun? Touch me not plant shrinks when touched. This shows that plants are sensitive to light and touch. Through the experiment, Dr. Jagdish Bose proved that plants have feelings like other living beings and humans. Let us see the picture of plant. There are different parts of plant like root, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Every part works in coordination and performs various functions. Here you can see root system. This is the underground part of the plant that is not visible. Root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. It binds the soil and prevents soil erosion. Here you can see shoot system, that is the upper part of the plant. It contains stem, fruit, leaf and flower. Stem supports the plant and carries water and minerals to the leaves. Leaf prepares food for the plant. Due to presence of chlorophyll, leaf appears green. Colorful and attractive part of the plant is called flower, which helps in reproduction. Here you can see the picture of fruit. Fruit bears seeds. It also protects seeds. Seed may be monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Children, what do you do when you get hungry? You take some snacks. But what can plants do when they get hungry? I know. You will speak, ma'am, plants will make their own food. But how do they prepare their food? What are the raw materials they require for making food? Plants prepare their food through photosynthesis process. Now question comes, what is photosynthesis then and how does it work? Photosynthesis is a process by which plants prepare food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Now, how does it work? Plants make their food with the help of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. That means plants need three things to perform photosynthesis. These are carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. Carbon dioxide enters through tiny holes, that is stomata, present in the surface of leaves. Plants also require water for making food. They absorb water from roots. Then they require sunlight. The energy from light causes a chemical reaction that splits the molecule of carbon dioxide and water and reorganize them to form sugar in the form of glucose and oxygen. In short, we can say that the whole process of photosynthesis is a transfer of energy from the sun to a plant. Without photosynthesis, life would not survive and plants would die. Photosynthesis is the number one source of energy. It maintains carbon cycle between the earth, plant and animals. It affects life on earth. It releases oxygen into the atmosphere and helps in survival of plants and animals. You might have thrown some pulses, beans, mango seeds. Then what do you observe after some time? Baby plants develop from the seeds. This process of development of baby plant from seed is called reproduction. In another way, you can say that reproduction is the process by which organisms make more organisms like themselves. Reproduction maintains the continuity of a species generation after generation. There are two ways of reproduction: reproduction through seeds or reproduction through different parts of the plant like root, stem, and leaf. Perhaps you have seen mustard seeds and gram seeds. Is there any difference between these two types of seeds? Mustard seed is the example of monocotyledons, whereas bean seed and gram seeds are the example of dicotyledons. Dicotyledons means it can be divided into two equal parts. Here we are going to discuss about the structure of dicot seed. There are three parts of seeds. Seed coat, that is outer covering of seed. It protects the seed. Then hilum. It is a point or scar where developing seeds remain attached to the fruit. Then you can see micropyle. It is a small hole present just below the hilum Water enters through this hole inside the seed. Children, in next video, we will discuss about vegetative reproduction and seed dispersal. Thank you.